Video I show you how to fix a setting needs your review problem on Facebook or Instagram. For fixing this, click on review settings, then click on allow us to use this activity to show your content that's more relevant. Click on it, then confirm. If you're not getting this option, then go to your Facebook or Instagram and go to your profile icon, then go to three line, then click on account center, then click on your information and permission, then click on your activity of Meta Technologies, then click on manage feature activity, click on connect feature activity, then click on confirm. Go back, then click on activity from other business, then click on allow us to use the activity to show your content that more relevant. Click on it, then click on confirm. After doing this, now I hope that this method fix a settings need your review problem on Facebook or Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.